If you own artificial turf, there's one thing you need to understand. Maintenance is not optional. In fact, it's just like owning a car. You wouldn't drive 50,000 miles without changing the oil. And artificial turf is no different. Because over time, debris doesn't just sit on the surface. It gets worked down, deep into the fibers and into the infill system. Blown-in debris, dust, pet hair, organic material. And once it's in there, a blower won't get it out. Water won't fix it, and ignoring it only makes it worse. What happens is your turf starts to mat down. Airflow gets restricted. Drainage slows. Odors can build up, especially in pet environments. And before you know it, that beautiful turf you invested in starts looking worn out. That's exactly why sweeping your turf is mandatory. Not once a year, not when it looks bad, but as part of regular maintenance. And this is where the Turf Power Sweep comes in. This isn't just another tool. This is the #1 artificial turf broom in the USA, built specifically for this exact problem. Now, here's what makes it different. A lot of people think this is a vacuum. It's not. There is zero suction. What you're seeing is high RPM power combined with our fiber lift technology. The straight barrel brush head spins at high speed, lifting the turf fibers and sweeping debris up and out into the large collection bag. Not pushing it around, not hiding it, but removing it completely. And because every turf system is different, we built this with 5 adjustable height settings. So whether your turf is newer, older, heavily used, or lightly maintained, you can dial it in and get the exact clean you need. That's something most tools simply don't offer. We've been in the artificial turf industry for over 20 years. We've installed it, we've maintained it, and we've seen what happens when it's not taken care of properly. So when we designed this machine, we didn't guess. We built it based on real-world experience to actually solve the problem. And the result? Cleaner turf, better drainage, improved appearance, longer lifespan. And most importantly, a turf system that performs the way it was designed to. If you're not sweeping your artificial turf, you're not maintaining it. And if you're not maintaining it, you're shortening its life. Turf Power Sweep, the right tool for the job your turf actually needs.